How to remove all materials in Blender at once, the fast way. The other day I was working on a project in Blender and ran into this issue. I had a bunch of objects in my scene and I needed to remove all the materials from them at once. But Blender doesn't exactly make that super easy, especially if you have a lot of objects. I tried doing it manually, but it took forever. That's when I thought there has to be a faster way. After some research, I found the perfect solution, a simple Python script. With just a few lines of code, you can wipe all the materials from every object in one go. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use this script and just how smoothly it works in Blender. Let's jump right in. If you're not familiar with scripting in Blender, don't worry. This is really simple and will save you a ton of time. So step 1, switch to the scripting workspace in Blender. Step 2, in the text editor, paste this script. This script I will leave you in the description box. This script goes through every object in your scene, checks if it's a mesh, and remove all materials attached to it. Step 3, once you paste the script, just hit run script and watch all the materials disappear instantly. And that's it. If you've only got a few objects, the manual method works, but for larger projects, this Python script is a lifesaver. I hope these tips speed up your workflow and as much as it has mine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Blender tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.